Okay, and here backside are simple. Some connectors, and here the air connector 8 mm, and the air regulator 0.4 MPa, and here is a emergency button. No other special. And here is the cylinder, 2 cylinders. Just now we have introduced the gap. Now we repeat again. Because here with grooves, the bottom side of this plate has also grooves. Should match this. Okay. Here is no gap. And here is no gap also. But here we need to adjust some gaps. Because if no gap, this plate contact this plate. When there is no wire, and it will broken very easily for these 2 parts. Okay.